Julio? What's wrong, my friend? Why are you crying?
It's terrible. I have been robbed. And I don't know what to do, Charles.
Oh my God. You need to relax. Breath. Take a deep breath. Relax.
I can't. They have taken all my money. I don't have any money now.
I see. But you really need to relax and tell me. When did it happen?
It has just happened. Some minutes ago. I'm not sure how it happened.
Wow. But what were you doing? Where were you going? Tell me.
I went to a party yesterday, so I have been there since last night.
Yeah, I can see. It's early in the morning and you are still over here.
The thing is, I arrived and everything was normal. I was dancing and having fun.
Have you drunk alcohol? I suppose you have because I can smell it.
I have just drunk a little. I don't usually drink much. I am very careful with that.
I don't believe you. You always drink too much alcohol when you go party.
Well, I have been a little busy, you know. So, I can't drink too much these days.
Oh, that's why. Then you have not drunk too much. What happened?
I have been dancing all night with some friends from the institute. It was funny.
Who have you danced with? Any friend we maybe have in common?
You have not been at the party? I'm surprised. It was Marco's birthday yesterday.
Oh, he has not told me anything. I'm mad at him now. I would have wanted to go.
Well, to be honest, it has not been a good party. The music was horrible, I think.
Anyway, you were telling me about how you have been robbed.
Well, I left Marco's house at about 6 in the morning. It was very cold.
Yeah, it is still a really cold day. By the way, where is your jacket?
I told you I have been robbed. They have stolen my money and my jacket too.
Damn. How has this happened? It sucks.
I was waiting for a bus to come since it was 6 in the morning. I suppose it was right.
And I think you are right. I mean, it was in the morning.
But it was not. The bus never came and I have been standing there.
All right. And then, what happened? Tell me.
I decided to leave and take a taxi in the next street, because there was not any around.
But have not you noticed that street is dangerous and we should not go there?
How could I know that? I have not gone over there since the last time we met.
Damn, Julio. Why have not you called me or something? God.
I have not thought about this. I thought it was a regular day in the morning, you know.
Okay. And then have you gotten to the street you were walking to?
Yeah, and when I got there, a strange man has approached me and has told me.
Take it easy, Julio. I know it's difficult, but you need to tell me everything.
Well, he has told me he was going to kill me if I did not give my wallet to him.
Oh my God. But he has not hurt you, right? Are you okay?
No, no. Happily not. I was shocked when he told me that and I did not know what to do.
Of course. If I were you, I would be shocked too. It's dangerous.
I have been there standing and I did not answer to him. I was thinking.
What? But what were you thinking? It is a dangerous situation, dude.
I don't know. I was scared, but I did not want to lose my money or my things.
Yeah, I suppose. But you have been in a dangerous situation. Damn.
The thing is, he has told me to hurry up and he has taken my wallet and also my jacket.
Don't tell me you have also lost all your documents with your wallet?
I have given everything to him. He had a gun. I did not want to, but I had no option.
Wow. That's really bad, my friend. How much money have you lost?
That's the worst thing. I have worked all the week really hard. I have done extra hours.
I know. I have seen you working. How much money have you made?
Due to my effort, I have made $1,000 in just 5 days. Can you believe it?
Wow. $1,000? That's a lot of money. I'm really sorry.
Yeah, it has been a difficult week for me, and this thing was the worst that could happen.
I feel you, bro. But happily you have not gotten hurt. That's the good part.
Yeah, but I don't care. I'm so pissy right now. I want to go and find that bastard.
I understand, but you can't do that. It is very dangerous for you.
I know, but I don't care. I have not slept these days because I really wanted the money.
Hey, have you already gone to the police? To file a complaint at the police station.
No, I have not gone there. To be honest, I have not decided it yet. To go or not to the police.
What? Why? Why have not you decided it yet? What's to think?
You know it is useless to go to the police in these situations. They never do anything.
I know. But who knows, and you have enough luck and they find the stealer.
I don't think so. I have decided to let it go. I don't trust in any policeman.
All right. Hey, and what about your cell phone? Has he stolen it too?
Happily, I have left my cell phone at home. I did not take it with me to the party.
That's great. Well, my friend, it has not been your week, absolutely.
Yeah, anyway. I feel a little better now. Thank you for your support, my friend.
You do not have to say it. If there's anything can do for you, just tell me.
Now that you mention it, I need you to take me home and maybe lend me some money.
Of course. Wait a minute. I will bring my car and we'll go to your home.
Thank you so much. You are a really good friend. Let's go, then.